Starting around 27 July 2023, Chiliz really is exchanging at $0.077 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.59% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. CHC in a real sense has a for the most part complete market cap of $549,876,476, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,588,541 in a significant manner. This certainly makes Chiliz, CHC, truly positioning at 70 in the digital currency market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz essentially be certainly worth in 2023 in every practical sense enormous way? Is Chiliz in every practical sense, wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Will CHC cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they in a real sense thought. These certainly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHC'(S) future, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz, CHC, value expectation 2023. As per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHC value sort of is supposed to basically cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.094, the normal least value worth of Chiliz, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to be $0.090, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, CHC can sort of arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of 10 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value conjecture July 2023. The especially normal cost of Chiliz, CHC, could basically go to $0.081 toward the finish of July 2023, or so they for the most part thought. CHC could basically be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0.083, with the truly least expected cost of $0.073, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Chiliz value figure August 2023, the in every practical sense, normal cost of Chiliz, CHC, could sort of go to $0.083 toward August 2023. In a for the most part large manners end, CHC could by and large be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.086, with the essentially least expected cost of $0.080 in a really significant manner. CHC value estimate September 2023. The Chiliz conjecture for September 2023 expects that the CHC might arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $0.091, with a very least cost of around $0.082, which really shows that CHC explicitly has an especially all-out market cap of $549,876,476, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,588,541 in a genuinely significant manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value, CHZ can stretch around $0.086 for September, which basically is very critical. Chiliz value forecast October 2023. The cost of Chiliz in a real sense is anticipated to basically reach at a sort of least worth of $0.085 in October 2023, which for the most part is very critical. The CHC cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.095, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.088, all through 2023. Chiliz, CHC, value conjecture November 2023. The Chiliz, CHC, cost for November 2023 may especially arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.089, while the most extreme gauge cost explicitly is around $0.098 in an unpretentious manner. The very normal cost for CHZ basically is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach $0.092 in November 2023, demonstrating the way that CHC could especially be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.086, with the especially least expected cost of $0.080 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz value figure December 2023. The exceptionally normal cost of Chiliz, CHC, could generally go to $0.094 toward the finish of December 2023, or so they thought. CHC could in a real sense exchange around a truly greatest worth of 10 cents, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.090. Chiliz, by and large past value examination, in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been generally diminished by 0.15% in its most certainly current worth, or so they in a real sense thought. Assuming we generally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the CHC with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap generally is likewise down. Further appearance how starting around 27 July 2023, Chiliz explicitly is exchanging at $0.077 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.59% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in a very large manner. Chiliz fundamentally is confronting and in every practical sense tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, showing that Chiliz, CHC, value figure November 2023, the Chiliz, CHC, cost for November 2023, may arrive at an extremely least worth of $0.089, while the very greatest estimated cost basically is around $0.098, which truly is genuinely critical. The CHC explicitly is down to nearly 2.38% in the by and large most recent 7 days, which basically is genuinely critical. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for truly past kind of couple of days. The coin could have serious areas of strength for exceptionally at the same time. We don't essentially feel that it would have beneficial resource in every practical sense, present moment, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC sort of diminished by 44.669%. Wiping out an incredible truly normal amount of $0.062 from its ongoing worth, which for the most part is very critical. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a fundamentally great in every practical sense purchase a valuable open door for sort of fast interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 43.87%. And the cost truly circled from a truly least by and large normal cost of 13 cents to extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of 14 cents in the essentially beyond 90 days, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz fundamentally is somewhere near 25.98%, with the genuinely greatest essentially normal cost of the coin basically was around 11 cents, and the base kind of typical cost of essentially was around 11 cents in extremely beyond 4 months. Which fundamentally shows that Chiliz, CHC, value expectation 2023, as per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the CHC cost for the most part is supposed to especially cross a very normal value level of $0.094. The normal